Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into a serious legal topic, aggravated menacing. It's a term you might hear, and understanding it is crucial because it carries significant weight. We'll break down what it means in simple terms. First, let's consider what menacing generally refers to. Menacing, on its own, typically involves making someone believe that you will cause them physical harm or place them in fear of physical harm. It's about creating a sense of dread or apprehension in another person through a threat. Now, what makes it aggravated? This is where the severity escalates significantly. Aggravated menacing involves specific factors that make the threat much more serious in the eyes of the law. One common aggravating factor is the use or presence of a deadly weapon. This means if you threaten someone while holding a knife, a gun, or even something that looks like a weapon, it elevates the charge. The threat doesn't even need to be carried out. The mere act of threatening with a weapon, or making the victim believe you possess one, can be enough. Another factor that can make menacing aggravated relates to the victim's identity or the circumstances of the threat. For instance, threatening specific individuals like public officials, police officers, or emergency personnel can lead to an aggravated charge. Threats made in certain sensitive locations, such as near a school, church, or courthouse, might also be considered aggravated. The intent behind the threat is also key. You must intend to cause serious alarm or fear in the victim. It's not just a casual remark, it's a deliberate act to instill fear for their safety or the safety of others. So, in summary, aggravated menacing is a threat of harm combined with an aggravating factor like a deadly weapon, the victim's status, or the location of the threat. The consequences for aggravated menacing are severe. It is often charged as a felony, which is a very serious crime. A felony conviction can result in substantial prison time, hefty fines, and a permanent criminal record. This record can impact future employment, housing, and even personal relationships. It's not a charge to be taken lightly by any means. Understanding this helps everyone appreciate the importance of responsible communication and the gravity of making threats. Thanks for tuning in and learning about this important legal concept. If you found this explanation helpful, please consider supporting the channel. A quick like, a share with friends, or subscribing really helps us continue making informative content. We truly appreciate all your support. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.